Hey everyone, it's me Jenny and welcome to my channel. So it's going to be a very quick video today. I'm going to unbox this Darn Good Yarn box. This is the January subscription. Yeah, I've been subscribing to them for several months now, but November and December I stopped the service temporarily because we were busy moving. So I just recently activated my account, and today I received this in the mail. Okay, so before I open, it's not open yet, it is still the mailman just dropped this in front of the doorstep like half an hour ago. And so before I open, I just want to say this is $10 a month and the shipping is $3.95 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so total every month is $13.95 including shipping. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. Okay, so normally inside they will come with two pattern. One is knitting and one is crochet. And for this month, oh, interesting. Okay, so let's go for the, oh wait, this is new. Darn Good Yarn. This is like a pouch. I'm not sure what you call this. It's not a bag, it's a pouch. This is how it looked like at the back and the front. Darn Good Yarn. It is a little bit dirty, but I think that's fine. Oh, okay, so this is Darn Good Yarn needle and hook case. So the retail price is $8.99. For me, I'm not sure how safe this is to put crochet hook and knitting needle, because it's gonna fall off anytime, because it's not really that secure. You just fasten it with button, it will still fall off if it go upside down like this. But it's a good bonus for this month's subscription. And I'm not sure. Oh yeah, so it comes with pattern. So this is the pattern for January 2019. This is treasure keeper pouch. Okay, this is for the knit, and for the crochet, this is how it looks like. Okay, I'm not going to show you the rest because the rest is the pattern. So this is all the information. All this yarn are recycled yarn from India, and you can get all the information right here. And let's go to the yarn. So this is Darn Good Yarn Fancy Twist yarn, and the colorway is Pink Flamingo, 50 grams, and there is 50 yards. It's a bulky weight yarn number 5, and it's recommended to be hand washed. Okay, so that's all the information right there. It shows their recycled silk. Okay, handmade in India. So this is how it looks like. Very soft. Okay, that's what I got in my January 2019 subscription box from Darn Good Yarn. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care everyone. Happy weekends and bye.